The keto diet is one of the most popular weight loss diets today. But is it sustainable for long-term weight loss? In this video, I'll discuss the pros and cons of the keto diet and share some tips for making it more sustainable. The keto diet, renowned for its high-fat, low-carb approach to weight loss, is under scrutiny for its long-term sustainability. This video delves into the intricacies of the keto diet and its impact on weight loss, and offers insights into making it a lasting lifestyle choice. The keto diet centers on a high-fat, low-carb regimen, aiming to induce a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, the body shifts from utilizing carbohydrates to relying primarily on fats as an energy source. This is achieved by significantly reducing carb intake and increasing fat consumption. The keto diet's weight loss results are closely linked to the process of ketosis. When the body enters this state, it becomes adept at burning stored fats for energy. Consequently, substantial weight loss occurs, particularly during the initial phases of the diet. Lowered carbohydrate intake also leads to reduced insulin levels, which further facilitates fat loss. While the keto diet can yield rapid weight loss, its long-term sustainability poses challenges. The diet's restrictive nature, particularly in terms of carbs, can be difficult to adhere to over time. Many individuals find it hard to follow the strict guidelines, leading to feelings of deprivation that hinder its sustainability. In addition to its weight loss potential, the keto diet offers several health advantages. These include improved insulin sensitivity, better blood sugar control, and reduced risk factors for heart disease. However, these benefits must be weighed against the challenges and limitations posed by the diet. The keto diet comes with its own set of challenges, including the initial keto flu, characterized by fatigue, headaches, and irritability, as the body adapts to ketones for fuel. Nutrient deficiencies and overall well-being are also concerns. To overcome these hurdles, a gradual reduction of carbohydrate intake can alleviate the severity of the keto flu. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods such as vegetables, nuts, and seeds can mitigate nutrient deficiencies. It's crucial to find a balance between desiring quick weight loss and ensuring a sustainable approach. While the keto diet may deliver swift results, individuals should assess their ability to sustain the dietary restrictions over time, aligning their preferences and goals. For sustainable weight loss, the keto diet should be viewed as a long-term lifestyle shift rather than a short-term solution. Transitioning from strict keto to a more flexible eating pattern allows individuals to maintain progress while enjoying a wider variety of foods. Combining the keto diet with regular physical activity enhances its effectiveness and sustainability. Exercise supports weight loss and overall health. A mix of cardiovascular and strength training exercises yields optimal results. Focusing on high-fat, low-carb foods is vital. Effective meal planning and preparation are essential for maintaining the diet. Monitoring progress through tracking measurements and addressing nutritional needs further bolsters success. The challenge of sustaining the keto diet long-term arises due to strict carbohydrate limitations, potentially leading to weight fluctuations. The keto diet may not suit individuals with specific medical conditions. Consult a healthcare professional before significant dietary changes are recommended. Exercise is encouraged on the keto diet, but allowing the body to adapt before intense workouts is advised. The keto flu, marked by symptoms like fatigue and headaches, is common during the transition to ketosis. Hydration and electrolyte intake can alleviate it. Weight loss varies among individuals on the keto diet, with some experiencing rapid initial progress and others a more gradual journey. Occasional carb consumption may impede ketosis. Consistency with the diet's guidelines is recommended for optimal results. In conclusion, the keto diet's potential for weight loss is undeniable, but its long-term sustainability hinges on addressing challenges and embracing a lifestyle shift. By considering the balance between rapid results and lasting change, individuals can make informed decisions about their weight loss journey. The information provided on this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle.